I'm not your story to tell! Burn your script! I'm done playing pretend!
You built this hell and called it a future. Well, here it is. Are you happy now?
The forest remembers. The king's blood still stains the roots.
I am tired of your sci-fi bullshit! Can't you put me in something beautiful?
3 bodies, 1 silver lighter. You sure you don't remember anything?
We never saw it coming. We were too busy watching each other.
This is how the world ends. Not with a bang, but with silence.
We're not scavengers! We're the spark! Tonight, we take back the city!
They left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
What manner of magic is that?
Are you even real? No.
No. I was just generated with a prompt.